Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Caroline Woods, here to take you through today's market action. A sell-off in technology stocks, an increase on some Chinese tariffs to 245%, and commentary from Fed Chair Jerome Powell were all culprits behind today's weakness. Stocks closed off session lows, but the Nasdaq still finished the day down 3%. The S&P 500 shed more than 2%, while the Dow lost a little less than 2%. The Russell, meanwhile, fell 1%. All sectors except energy closed in the red, with tech dropping 4% on the session. Consumer discretionary and communications each fell about 2.5%. Markets hit session lows this afternoon after Fed Chair Jerome Powell said significantly larger tariffs can lead to at least a temporary rise in inflation. He added the tariff impact could also lead to more persistent inflationary effects. Powell said the Fed's obligation is to keep longer-term inflation expectations well anchored and ensure a one-time increase in the price level does not become an ongoing inflation problem. Powell reiterated that the Fed is prepared to adjust its policy stance as it awaits for greater clarity on tariffs. Taking a closer look into the tech sell-off, Nvidia and AMD were among the biggest laggards in the S&P 500, down 7% and 7.4% respectively. Nvidia revealed a new Trump administration policy that requires licenses to sell its H20 AI chips to China effective April 9th. The company disclosed that it booked $5.5 billion in charges during its first quarter due to the new licensing requirement. Similarly, AMD will pay up to $800 million for charges on its MI308 technology. Both AI chip makers received price target cuts on Wall Street, but analysts largely remain bullish overall as investors look ahead to Taiwan semiconductor earnings tomorrow morning. Sticking with the AI trade, ASML slid after the Dutch chip company's sales and guidance both missed expectations. It guided for $8.19 to $8.76 billion in sales for the current quarter, below Wall Street's estimates of $8.88 billion. ASML CEO says 2025 and 2026 will still be growth years, but adds tariff announcements increase uncertainty, adding the situation will remain dynamic for a while. Turning to tomorrow's calendar, along with TSMC, we'll also get earnings from United Health and American Express before the opening bell. Netflix closes out the holiday-shortened week with after-hour earnings. And keep an eye out for data on housing starts and permits, jobless claims, and the Philly Fed. Just a reminder, the market is closed on Friday for the Good Friday holiday. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Caroline Woods. Remember to tune in 24/7 to schwabnetwork.com.